This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Ginger Kelson. Lovely two-story home in popular and convenient Huntcrest subdivision. Fabulous floor plan features an impressive two-story foyer, formal dining room, guestroom/office and a full bathroom on the main level. Large kitchen features a breakfast bar, corner pantry, tons of cabinets and opens to the family room and the breakfast room. New deck overlooks the level/fenced 0.37-acre lot. The second level features 3 additional bedrooms, plus a bonus room with extra storage. The primary bedroom boasts 2 walk-in closets, double sinks/jetted tub/oversized shower in the primary bathroom. The laundry room, washer and dryer to remain, is conveniently located outside the primary bedroom and bedrooms number 2 and number 3, plus it includes a large closet for additional storage. The bonus room is located at the top of the staircase and is perfect for a playroom/media room/home office, etc. Many updates to include: HVAC, water heater and roof, upgraded, in 2023 new spring system at garage door August 2024 new deck October 2024. Book your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ginger Kelson at 865-584-4000.